Hello everyone, today in this video we'll learn tricks for multiplication of two-digit numbers. For this we have three tricks. Suppose we have to multiply 54 into 43. So in first trick we have to make a square first and then divide this square in four parts. One number you have to write vertically and other number you have to write horizontally. And then you have to draw three lines like this. Now, what is 5 times 4? It's 20. What is 5 times 3? It's 15. What is 4 times 4? Is 16. And what is 4 times 3? It's 12. To get the final answer, you have to add diagonally. So, sum of first diagonal is 2. What is the sum of second diagonal? 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. But you can write only one digit at a time. So, you will write one digit here and you will carry 10th digit in other diagonal. Now, what's the sum of third diagonal? 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, that's 3. And what's the sum of fourth diagonal? That is 2. So, the final answer is 2, 3, 2, 2. As you know, to get the final answer, we add the numbers diagonally, and that's why this method is also known as diagonal method. Let's move to trick 2. Suppose we have to multiply the same number again, 54 into 43, but with the help of trick 2. What we'll do? First, we'll write the numbers like this. In this trick, we have to move from right to left. So first I will multiply the right digits, that is 4 into 3. But again, I can write only one digit at a time. So I will write 2 here and carry forward the 10th digit. Now for the next digit, we have to do cross multiplication. What is 5 into 3? 15. What is 4 into 4? 16. Now add all the numbers together. So it's 32. Again, you can write one digit at a time. So you will write one digit and leave 10th digit here. Now you will multiply the extreme left digits, that is 5 into 4, 20. Now what is 20 plus 3? It's 23. So the answer is 2, 3, 2, 2. The same answer that we get in trick 1. Let's move to the last trick, trick 3. That is 54 into 43. Again we'll do that. For this, first we'll draw 5 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have to leave some gap because then we'll draw the lines for second digit. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the second number, you have to draw horizontal line. First you will draw 4 horizontal lines and then you will leave some gap and then draw 3 horizontal lines. Now you have to divide your design in this way and the middle ones together. Now we'll count the intersection points. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 dots are repeating 3 times. So total dots are 12. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 times are repeating 4 times. So total dots are 16. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 dots are repeating 4 times. So total dots are 20. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 dots are repeating 3 times, so it's 15. To write the final answer, you have to start from bottom, but again it's 12. We can write only one digit at a time, so I will write one digit and you will carry this 10th digit in the second. Now what is 1 plus 16 plus 15? That is 32. Again you can write only one digit, so you will write 2 and you will carry the 10th digit here, that is 3. Now what is 20 plus 3? It's 23. The answer is again 2, 3, 2, 2 that we get in trick 1 and trick 2. And this method is also known as Japanese method. But suppose the number is 88 into 99. For this, what you have to draw 16 vertical lines and then 18 horizontal lines. That will consume your time. So whenever the digit is more than 5, you can simply follow trick 1 and trick 2 to save your time. Thank you everyone.